hence the lack of videos recently. But I do need to make something today because it's my granddaughter's birthday party tomorrow. So they've asked me to make something very simple, and it's only going to be quick to make it. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of it because you might like to make this down the track. Very easy. So let's get into it. I'll tell you what we're making first. We're making rice bubble bars, and sometimes they're called LCMs, and only 3 ingredients. So let's have a look. So first of all, I've got a packet of marshmallows. This is 520 grams. So we're just putting that into a non-stick pan. And I'm just going to add some butter to that. Now this butter isn't measured out, it's just, you know, a decent amount there. Probably about, I don't know, about 80 grams. Now, I'm using Pyrex, but you don't need to use that if you've got a baking tray that you want to use. And what I do, I just spray it lightly with some oil. Not too much, so that's done. And the next thing I need to do is to get my rice bubbles. So I've got a large bowl there that I'm going to put the rice bubbles into. That's 4 cups. So there's 6 cups of rice bubbles in there. And we'll just take this saucepan over to the stove and we'll cook this. I did say that we'll cook it. We're not actually cooking. We're just melting. That's all we're doing. We're melting. So we'll just put it on the heat. Actually, I might put it on the bigger one. Turn that down. Okay. So the butter is just basically to stop the marshmallows from sticking to the pan as they melt, because this gets really, really sticky really fast. You can see that that's starting to melt already. It does not take long. This is not something that you can walk away from. You need to stay with it and you need to stir it constantly. just about done. There's a few marshmallows in there that are quite small, but they're not completely melted yet. Right, that's done. Okay, we're back at our ice bubbles and we're just pouring that mixture over the top, scraping it all and getting it in. Once it's in, you need to work quickly. Mix it thoroughly through the ice bubbles. Right, once that's all mixed through, we're back to our prepared bowl and we'll just empty that into there. And then I get a metal spoon that I've wet down. I think I might see if the oil will help prevent it sticking. No. So what I do is push that down as much as I can because this mixture is quite hot. Yeah, it's getting warm now. So once it's to the warm stage, that's when I use my hands. So I've got damp hands now. I've just rinsed them off. You need damp hands, otherwise this stuff just sticks, as you could see. So just press it down firmly, making a nice even surface there. That's it. It's ready to go into the fridge now. So I'll pop this into the fridge probably for about 15-20 minutes. It won't be set completely. But I don't want it set completely. When I bring it out, I'll then be able to cut it into bars and then I'll put it back in to finish setting. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I'm just going to take this, I've removed it from the fridge. As you can see, it's still soft. So I think a knife would be better. Just going to remove it from the pan. Right. Now, slowly it's releasing. There we go. Still pretty sticky. Now I'll just get a tray so I can put it on. Now just line that tray with baking paper just to prevent it from sticking to the tray itself. Now all we're going to do is just to cut it into bars. And Just cutting each of these into 4. There's rice bubble bars, and once I finish chopping them all up, I'll let you know how many pieces I've got. So there you have it. I've got 32 pieces there, and they're going back in the fridge to harden up. And that's it. So thanks for joining me on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little quick one, but just something quick that you can make if you've got to cater for a party. Hope to see you back again soon. Bye.